to create a do-it-yourself lighting system at home. You need lights, tin foil, extension cords if the lights are too far from the outlets, and light bulbs. I chose a bright white with 23 watts just to make it a little more natural. So you need your key light, which has to be as close to your subject as possible. And this is your main light. You have your rim light in the back here, and the fill light, which fills in the shadows. So if your key light is a little too bright, you can always just cover it up a little bit with some foil, like so. And then it's not as dramatic.